Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
You'll start by getting connected and opening Control Center. Put both AirPods Pro in your ears. That ensures sensors and microphones are active. Once done, unlock your iPhone, swipe into Control Center and press firmly or long press the audio card to reveal headphone controls. This step lets you access noise modes quickly. Make sure Bluetooth shows your AirPods as connected. If you skip this, you won't see the noise control options, so confirm each device indicator before proceeding. Now switch modes and tune how much outside sound you hear. Tap Noise Control in the expanded audio card to choose Active Noise Cancellation or Transparency. Each tap cycles modes. You can also squeeze the stem's force sensor to toggle modes hands-free. That's faster when you're moving. For more precise transparency balance, go to Settings, Accessibility AirPods, and adjust the slider. Doing this changes how much environmental sound comes through, which matters for situational awareness and comfort. Finish by confirming active noise cancellation is actually reducing noise. You should notice quieter background and fuller low end. If modes don't switch or audio behaves oddly, reset your AirPods. Forget the device in Bluetooth settings, then reconnect. Also check ear tip cleanliness. Debris on the mic meshes can disable ANC and install any firmware updates available. If problems persist after those steps, restart your iPhone and try again. That sequence resolves most issues and gets your noise canceling back to normal.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.